Attention, are you struggling with prosperity? Are you struggling to either make money and build affluence and prosperity, or keep what you have earned? You know, a lot of people, they work, they're intelligent, they build a business, they make money, and then somehow or another they lose it all. Some people win the money, such as in lottery, and they end up losing it all. But I've been working for 25 years with people who wanted to develop a prosperity mindset. I have helped about 12,000 people make a whole lot of money, but not only make money, develop a prosperity or more prosperous life, which is different from simply having money. A lot of people struggle with this idea, particularly because in childhood, these ideas are cemented in our minds. Some people still believe, not consciously, not rationally, but deep inside of our minds, those ideas about money being dirty or money being somehow bad, or somehow if you have affluence, then you're not happy. Those kinds of confusions remain in the back of our mind. But that kind of thing is superficial. The biggest thing that we find in this kind of work is a profound lack of known desert. In other words, unconsciously or deep within, for some reason, people who struggle with prosperity don't feel that they deserve to be prosperous. If a person holds on to the belief at the level of the unconscious, it doesn't matter what kind of business they build, what kind of money they make. It doesn't matter. It's all washed away. So if you want to build lasting legacy, if you want to build prosperity for real, we need to get your mindset right. And if you're ready to get started on your prosperity mindset, click on the button below, and I'm going to take you through an explanation and then a whole masterclass free of charge for you to get started changing your mind about yourself and about what you deserve. I'm looking forward to meeting you on the other side.